You can see that this is my main website, bloggingjoy.com. Now in that I will be creating a subdomain. Now what exactly is a subdomain? So you can see that I have a subdomain called blackfriday.bloggingjoy.com. Now in this website, what I have done, I have listed out all the WordPress Black Friday deals. You can see that this entire website I have created with the help of HTML and CSS, and it is hosted on Hostinger. Now let me log into Hostinger dashboard. So this is the my Hostinger dashboard. You can see that I have already blackfriday.bloggingjoy.com, then webhostingdeals.bloggingjoy.com. These three subdomains are there. So we will be creating one more subdomain here. Okay. So to create a subdomain, what we need to do? First, we need to go to the dashboard of my main website. So for which website we are going to create a subdomain, in that we have to go. Then from there, we'll go to domains. Then we'll go to subdomain. So here I'll put the term that I want to create. So let me put tools. So tools, then I'll click custom folder. So I'll be giving tools. So what it will do, it will create a separate folder for me. Okay. So I'll simply click on create, and then it has created the tools subdomain. Okay. So now tools.bloggingjoy.com has created. Now if I just open tools.bloggingjoy.com, so you can see that. So as it is hosted on Hostinger only, so it is showing that one kind of a default page. Okay. Now what we need to do, so we'll go to websites, then we'll click on add a website, then WordPress, then we'll choose myself for business, then next. Now in this screen, I have to provide the details of user ID and password. Okay. So let me put the user ID and password, and then I'll click on next. Now in the next screen, I'm not going to choose any template. I'll click on create blank site. And then here I need to put the domain name. So I'll type tools. See, tools.bloggingjoy.com has come already. I'll click on it and click on next. Now the WordPress is installing. Okay. It will just take a couple of seconds to set this up. So this is the final website so far I have created on this subdomain tools.bloggingjoy.com. What you can do, you can simply go to Google and search for Bloggingjoy space tools, and then you will discover this website. And then you can simply scroll it, check it, and let me know what your feedback, how exactly it is. If I go to any individual tool, it looks like this. Okay. So it is very easy to create a subdomain, and then we can use that subdomain to create stunning tools website like this. If you find this video useful, feel free to like and share this video. If you are new to my YouTube channel, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.